Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to cancel Ryanair flight and get refund. So before we dive into the steps, it's essential to understand Ryanair's cancellation and refund policy. Now for non-refundable tickets, Ryanair tickets are generally non-refundable. So if your flight operated and you didn't travel, you are not entitled to a refund. So here are the eligible refund scenarios. You may be eligible for a refund if number one, your flight was cancelled by Ryanair. Number two, your flight was delayed by over 5 hours and you chose not to travel. Number three, you were denied boarding. Number four, an immediate family member who is not traveling with you dies within 10 days prior to your booked flight. And number five, someone on your booking passes away before your trip. All right, that is how you're eligible. That is when you'll be eligible. So now let's head over to how to cancel your flight and request a refund. So navigate to www.ryanair.com using any browser of your choice. Click on login at the top right corner in the website. Enter your email and password to access your account. And once logged in, go ahead and click on My Bookings at the top right corner of the screen. It's going to take you to a window where you see a list of your upcoming and past flights. You find them in this window. So find the flight you wish to cancel and click on Manage this booking next to the flight. If your flight was cancelled or delayed by over 5 hours, you should see an option to request a refund. So go ahead and click on Request a Refund and follow the on-screen instructions. Fill in any required information and submit your refund request. If you booked through an online travel agent, an OTA, refunds may take longer as Ryanair needs to verify your details first. To verify your details, download, complete, and submit the customer verification form provided on Ryanair's website. Now, after submitting your refund request, you can track its status. Log into your My Ryanair account, go to My Support Cases section. Here, you can view the current status of your refund request, any updates, and any communication from Ryanair's customer service team. And here's where you find it. So once you click on My Bookings, head over to the left navigation, click on My Support Cases, and you'll see any update and communication from Ryanair's customer service team. So that's pretty much it. So here are some more important points to keep in mind. Everyone who books with Ryanair has a My Ryanair account. Now the wallet is designed to make the refund process easier, clearer, and faster. You can use the balance to purchase new flights or withdraw the amount to your original form of payment in one click. Typically, refunds go to the Ryanair wallet and can take up to 5 days to transfer back to your original payment method. And there you have it. So you can just go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.